Hello everybody, Nate Ted here, and I am here today with...
WandererTJ.
And WandererTJ, what kind of armor are you wearing?
I am wearing a Mark V suit from Halo Reach.
And now this Mark V suit from Halo Reach, how on earth did you make it?
So it is multimedia, the helmet is casting, I bought it. The rest of it is all me. The chest piece is 3D printed as well as the knife, and my ability module and my grenades. Everything else on this suit is foam. The undersuit is upholstery foam coated in leak seal rubber.
Well, it looks absolutely fantastic indeed. Now, I've noticed you also have some lights on your armor. You want to tell us a little bit about how you manage that?
So all of them are individually wired LEDs up to coin cell battery holders that have independent on and off switches, so that if I sweat too much or like really whatever, it doesn't kill all the lights in the circuit. I also have my ability module in the back here, and it cycles through colors over 5 minutes, so the goal is anytime you see me, it's a different color.
Now, I also noticed that when you take your helmet off, you've gone above and beyond most cosplayers here. You've got these scars on your face. Now, how do you do that?
So I use makeup. I use a naked pink lip pencil for the main of the scars, and then we take a little bit of eyeshadow and a fine brush, and we lightly dust the middle of it to give it depth. And then the rest of it's just a lot more eyeshadow, and I try to get dirty. I love wearing my helmet, but I also love not wearing my helmet, so being able to take it off and remain in character is important to me.
Now, is this the first suit of armor you've made, or have you made other suits before?
This is the very first costume I ever made.
The first Halo costume, or just the first costume ever?
This is my first cosplay that was not bought.
I actually didn't even know that. That's straight up very impressive, man. Well, so now I gotta ask, is there anything in particular you're especially proud of in this particular suit of armor?
So the 7 months of unemployment led up to Halo Outpost. I was determined to get done for it. There were 5 Halo Outposts. The one I went to was in Texas, the Houston one. I went in, I competed in this, and I was with all of these other just phenomenal suits. As they're calling everyone's name to go across the stage for the award, our numbers just kept getting thinner and thinner. And I was like, surely I'll get first in armor. Surely I'll get first in special effects. And they didn't call my name. And it didn't really dawn on to me until there's 2 of us left, and I'm looking around at a bunch of people that none of them have lights, none of them have all the stuff that I have, and I realized I had won Best in Show. I cried on stage. It was a big deal after the unemployment because it was a big cash prize, and it helped me hang in there.
Well, congratulations on that victory. Very well deserved, because this is an absolutely phenomenal suit. Thanks very much for saying that story. I got one last thing for you. If someone out there wants to build their own suit of armor, and they're looking for a place where they can find tutorials or templates or resources, where can they go?
405th.com.
There you go, folks. 405th.com to build your character. This is WandererTJ and Nate Ted signing off from C2E2.